Dear connections, welcome to the sixth part of this ongoing tutorial on progressive stamping die. Here, we will discuss about each stamping die part, one by one. We will explain its working, its material, its heat treatment. The very first part which we see is the bottom die plate. Some people call it lower plate, some call it as lower die shoe. It is made of HRS, also known as mild steel. Some people say as boilerplate. Its thickness ranges from 3 inch to 6 inch. It depends upon die size, material specification of the part. For example, a dual-phase material part will need more tonnage. Hence more robust die. Hence more thick die plate. Also customer die standard is important to decide the lower die shoe plate thickness. To meet stamping press shut height, and feet height requirement, we need to add parallel to the lower die shoe plate. These parallels will be 2 inch in thickness for general purpose, and 3 inch or 4 inch thick for clamping purpose. The parallel will be across die width, and will be bolted to the lower die shoe plate. We use M20 or 1 inch socket head cap screw, or simply known as SCHS, to screw the parallel to the plate. We usually keep parallels after every 5 inch gap. We must provide parallel below the forming stations, or below the trim steel to support against the working force. We also provide parallel below the die safety area and stopper block area. In case the parallel are having clamping feet, we provide 2 dowels as well to locate the parallel precisely. Usually we have 4 screws for general parallel, and 6 screws for clamping parallel. In case the parallel has any relief machining for scrap fallout or any standard component placement, we provide foolproofing also. 4 screw counterbore is in the lower die shoe plate, and thread will be in the parallel. The lower die shoe plate will have lift hole, and slash or lifing handles as per die standard. Usually we provide M40 for big dies as lift screw hole.